Just south of Hanoi is where lazy rivers wind around limestone karsts, creating the storybook landscape of Ninh Binh. The best way to experience this natural wonder is with a ride on the river in Trang An. The Ninh Binh region is easily the most beautiful and relaxing location in all of Vietnam, at just around 4 miles west of the Ninh Binh walking street in Hoa Lu. It's a quiet retreat for a few days, pedaling between rivers, villages, and picturesque scenery. While exploring, you can't miss the Trang An complex. Brochures and maps are provided upon arrival with route details and estimated durations. Select your route, buy a ticket, and hop in a canoe. High season and weekends bring crowds, so arrive early on weekdays for the quietest ride. And yes, there are grottos. But first, there's this. The Trang An riverboat tours are one of the main reasons people flock to Ninh Binh. As you drift along, there's a few islands and inlets where you'll stop for a few minutes to explore. It's a welcome break to stretch your legs, use a restroom, or grab a snack. When busy, it can be tricky to spot your boat upon return, so identify your boat number before exiting. Depending on your selected tour, the cave experience will be shorter or longer. Let's take a look. Funny detail, the amount of younger local women who dress up to have a photo session in front of a feature that has been shown in a movie or television show. It's quite a scene to watch. I was more interested in the sounds and topography, but I did squeeze in a picture with a little lady before it was all over.